After Rahul Gandhi's photo op at Jantar Mantar, Amit Shah has slammed Congress President. Shah has tweeted, and I quote, "Rahul ji, when you are free from winking and disrupting Parliament, give some time to facts as well. NDA government, through a cabinet decision and in Parliament, ensure the strongest amendment to the Act would have been good if Congress President would have spoken about his party's treatment towards Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar and Babu Jagjeevan Ram and Sita Ram Kesri as well." So that's a dig by Amit Shah, the national president of the BJP, against Rahul Gandhi on the entire developments that have been taking place. So this is the entire dig that he has taken on Rahul Gandhi. His second tweet says, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's legacy, strongest amendments to SC/ST Act, OBC Commission, and more. Congress legacy, insult Dalit leaders, Dalit pride, oppose Mandal and block OBC Commission as well. So a latest attack by the BJP president against Rahul Gandhi, even as there's been an uproar inside the parliament as well.